Hello everyone. I wanted to record an example of how you submit your storyboard to me, your Storybird to me, because people are having a little bit of problems with it. Excuse my voice please, I'm a little bit sick, but I just wanted to show you. So you pull up your assignment that you did in Storybird, and then you go down to the edit icon, and you can not even do anything to edit and hit save and exit. And then it will ask you how you want to publish this. You can publish it privately and the story will be only visible to you, publicly, which does cost money for whatever reason, or you can submit it to the teacher in your class. And then it'll say submit to the teachers in my class, sleep technology, because you're enrolled in that class. And then once you have that together, you can hit publish down here at the bottom. And then that will go directly to the teacher, who is me, and I just want to show you, I'll be able to see that in my class listing. I just wanted to make sure everyone knew how to do that because that's not completely intuitive, but I hope that helps everybody out. Thank you.